Days after a home explosion in Northwest Austin shook the neighborhood and the surrounding area, some homeowners say now they're growing frustrated dealing with insurance delays.
At KVUE's Brianna Perez joins us live from Northwest Austin to explain. Brianna.
Yeah, Ashley, Quita, I spoke with some neighbors who say on top of dealing with the damage to their homes, they say they're also struggling with insurance and navigating around that. Now, I did speak with some experts about some tips to consider.
Boarded windows, broken doors, and lights hanging on by a wire. That's just some of the damage residents are dealing with after Sunday's explosion.
My chandelier was dangling from the ceiling. Light fixtures had fallen out. You could tell where pieces of our ceiling had ripped off or broken.
Samantha Lear says she's lived here for 11 years, but never thought she would see it like this.
And it pushed out our garage door, so you can see if you go by, they're dented.
And days later, she says insurance delays are only adding to her shock.
The investigation on the explosion is still pending from what I knew last. And because it's still pending and we don't have an exact reason as to why the house exploded, a lot of our insurance companies are at a halt.
She says her insurance provider has been slow to assess damage, and her neighbors are in similar situations.
It's been a very frustrating process when you're living in a house that has broken pieces everywhere, things hanging from the ceiling. You can't properly lock or secure your house at night. And like you said, so many people had windows shattered that are now boarded. You know, there's a real unsafe feeling.
We caught up with David Bulldog from the Office of Public Insurance Counsel about what people need to know to get help. He says most homeowners insurance covers damage to homes and belongings caused by explosion, but policies have limits. So he recommends documenting damage with photos or video, filing a claim right away, and only to make the temporary repairs until your insurance adjuster okays permanent ones. And be sure to save your receipts.
And experts say it's also important for residents to be aware of contractors that come to your home unexpectedly and try to make repairs. For now, reporting in Northwest Austin, Brianna Perez, KVUE News.